Whoever birthed that big ass boy was eating good, boy. Nigga was eating all type of cheeseburgers. What's up, YouTube? I'm dropping a banger today. So, me and the missus is up here at the dealership right now, getting her an early birthday gift. Early birthday gift. As y'all can see, in the Dodge dealership. Lord Jesus. You gonna tell them what we getting?
I got my dream car.
Yeah.
20?
We ain't gonna tell y'all what year it is. Just know it's a Dodge. That's all we got in this family for now on. It's Dodge. Dodge. So we about to go test drive this thing. Be back.
Forbid I ever buy a Hellcat.
As you can see, I'm sitting in the back of the car. In the back. I'm doing this little test drive. Hey man, if you ever in Clarksville, Tennessee, and you need a car, come see my man TW. TW right now.
What's her right?
Come see TW. Other man, we Eric, bless his heart, got a better job, as he says, working at Cheddar's.
Oh, a lot better. You just got stable hours.
Yeah, stable pay.
That's all that matters, is that stable money. But yeah, of course I'm back here. And she driving like a grandma. I've actually been on this road a couple times. But yeah, doing a test drive.
I mean, I'm not afraid to jump out of a moving car at any point.
Yes, Sirski. This was an early birthday gift for her.
I am trying to obey the law.
So she can't ask me for nothing else.
But after,
I'm just messing with you. As long as we don't do it.
My turn to test drive.
This is like kids and stuff.
You know how I'm feeling right now, Tamitra?
I feel like
We are the
it's my birthday today.
We the V6 family of Hemi Life and Hemi Life wife, cause they both got Scat Packs. She got a Scat Charger or Challenger, and he got a Scat Charger.
Who is Emmy like?
All right, y'all. So we're gonna go ahead and show y'all what she's getting. Here it is, the big reveal. 2021 Dodge Challenger. It's something slight. It ain't too special, but it's hers. This is what she wanted. So she has her Challenger. I got my Charger. She's happy. I'm happy. Yeah. So yeah, we about to go in here and finish this stuff up. All right, y'all. We out. But nah, she got her car. She happy. Look at her. Let's see. Oh, she pulling up behind me. I don't know why she don't pull up beside me, man. Look at her. I'm gonna show y'all. Her. Ooh. It's bright. Look at her. Look at her back here. It's bright, y'all. But look, she got that car. She feeling good. She looking good. Got that that thing back there. Hey, look. At the end of the day, she been asking me to get her this car. Asking me. I want to challenge her. I want to challenge her. And now she got one. So, of course, you know she gonna make it her own. She gonna doll it all up. She gonna boop bop, put all this stuff on it. So, after she drove my car to the ground, she gonna do hers up nice. So, of course, first thing first, you know, we gotta throw the tint on that Tang. That Tang there gotta get some tint. The first thing that's gonna get done is gonna do tint, and then I'm gonna put the same system, basically it's a straight pipe with nice little exhaust tips on it. Make it nice and whatnot. So she can sound like mine. Now, yeah, granted, everybody like, oh, that's a basic V6, blah, type of car. That's a V6. Okay, it's fine. Let it be a V6. Everybody starts somewhere. You know what I'm saying? Everybody has to start somewhere. Get used to a company. You build your name up. That company gonna see, okay, they always on time for payments, not missing a payment. And then when it come time to buying that Scat Pack or that Hellcat, because that's what's coming next afterwards. I'm gonna get one and she gonna get one. I'm just gonna keep growing. But like I said, she happy. I'm not gonna post this video till later. So I'm recording this today. Today is the 16th of July. But probably won't post this video till like probably around her birthday time frame, because we ain't trying to let everybody know that we got a brand new car. Because you know everybody be, oh, you got a new car, but you couldn't do da. All I'm saying, look, we know what we doing. Alright. So, but yeah, headed home now. She's feeling good, looking good back there. And when we get back, I'm gonna show y'all the whips when I get home. One time for the one time. Ooh, yes sir. All right, let me see y'all. Look at her. Oh shit! I'm all over the road. Can't even drive and record. Look at her though. She thinks she's stunting in that thing. Look, this YouTube shit, we about to take over. We ain't taking over nothing, but we really about to be on our YouTube real live. Like she gon' I'm sure she gonna put her little brand on her car. I'm gonna put my brand on my car. So, hey. Oh, forgot to tell y'all. Definitely gonna probably start seeing more car and bike stuff on the channels now, because of the simple fact she got hers and I got mine. So y'all gonna see the journey, y'all gonna see all the changes she gonna do. Next thing I'm thinking about doing to mine is I'm thinking about wrapping my car. Yes, I said it. I'm thinking about wrapping my car. I've been reaching out to people. I understand, like, people backed up and all this other stuff, but lately I just been feeling like if I want to make my car and my bike my own, I gotta put that work in, that blood, sweat, and tears to get it the way I want it to be. Yeah, it might come out looking retarded at first, but you only perfect what you can after that. Like, it's the same thing with cutting hair. Like, man, look, when I tell y'all I was out here tearing people head up, I 10 heads up, but over time I perfected my craft. But let me show y'all her. Look at her. She don't know how to act. She happy. She got her. What that is right there, girl? What that thing is? What's that thing name? What you want to name that thing? You not gonna name that thing? What's up, y'all? So, just from sitting over here, I kind of like this. It's kind of snugged in here. You got a nice little compartment right here. I can hide the little in there. You know what I'm saying? But y'all know I'm about to put this joint to the test. This camera not even on me.
Yes, it is.
I'm about to put this joint to the test. Right now it's in normal mode and ain't no speed mode. I like this though. Let me see that camera. I like this speedometer though. Look at that. Look at that. Look at them eyes. This thing's so clean, man. Got that 7-inch screen. Unfortunately, mine don't got sports mode, but yeah, no. So we about to really see what this thing gonna do. Gonna get you. I ain't gonna tell y'all some of the other upgrades that's gonna happen. She already got her Amazon box Prime fully loaded with all the stuff that she want to do on this car, and I'm gonna let her do it because it's her own. But always first, safety first. Put your seatbelt on. But yeah, like I said, first thing I'm gonna go get her tent for her. Go get a tinted. Oh look, it's your twin, the RT version. That's a wide body too. I'm gonna go get it tinted, and then I know she gonna want me to. Can you go get it stay piped?
Hopefully this man don't kill me.
Hey, I just want to let y'all know. I just put it in sport mode. Y'all ready?
Baby, when that thing is straight pipe,
I can't really step on it like I want to.
it's there though.
It's getting there. It'll get there. It's gonna get there. Hopefully this light up here is red. You know what I'm saying? And then I'm really gonna, if it's a straightaway, I'm gonna punch it. See what it's really on. This bike's all over the place right now. He got on a Suzuki shirt too. Oh, speaking of which, y'all, so it was raining earlier, and this old lady was scared to drive in the rain. I was on my bike and got caught in the rain, and I had a laugh about it the whole time. All right, I'm gonna slow down to like 40. Y'all ready? Are you recording now?
Yes.
Man, look. This thing got some get. Some get. There's a little hit right there. 40 to 100. That joint was picking up too. But yeah, it's some work coming to it. Y'all just wait on it. We just cruising right now. Until next time. What's good, YouTube? It's your boy back again. Nah, I'm messing with y'all. But nah, got a little cushion real quick. About to take this good old Challenger, my baby's Challenger, and go get her a nice little exhaust work done real quick. Get her sounding real mean like. So that's what this video is gonna be about. Well, this is gonna be this part 2 to the first video, which I haven't posted yet. It's all gonna be a combination. This is all like birthday YouTube video for my wife, because her birthday is coming up. So I'm recording all this stuff now. Today's what's the day? The 18th, 19th, one of those days. Her birthday's on the 27th. So I'm gonna draw every video all in one. And it's gonna be a banger. Bang bang. So y'all stay tuned. Get ready to pull up to the South shot here in a few. Ooh wee Jesus. What's good, y'all? As y'all can see, I'm over here at Midas, big boy. Midas about to get that thing done. Man, let me show y'all what this car looks like. First of all, I don't think I showed y'all a close-up on this joint. It's a 2021 Dodge Charger XXT. Dodge Challenger. This joint clean though. Look at them rims. I ain't gonna lie, I like these stock rims they got on these joints. So this the wife car. I'm gonna let her do whatever she wants to. I'm gonna just do like all the manly stuff that need to be done to it. So definitely not gonna do anything to the rims. Colorway is mean. So gonna go ahead today, work on this ass end. Get the exhaust done. I'm sure she's gonna do some things of her own up here. But then look at this side. This car is just clean, bro. I'm kind of jealous that she got it and I ain't get it. But yeah, coming soon. Like I said, Midas on Riverside over here. If you ever in the Clarksville area, and you want to get some work done, come to Midas on Riverside. You know what I'm saying? I went to them with my car, got my car straight pipe. I'm gonna come back, do some get some exhaust tips on mine. Probably gonna talk to them about doing some engine work, or find a place to do some engine work. But yeah, right here on Riverside, right by the bridge, right by Kelly's Big Burger, and this hood that's a Church's right there. That's crazy. 'Cause I never knew that was a Church's. Right there by the Church's. Come on over here and get you some engine work done, and get you some chicken and engine work. How that sound? That sound like a plan. But I'm gonna come back when it comes time for them to pull it in. I'm gonna let y'all hear what it sound like before and after, so y'all can see what your boy then got done. You know what I'm saying? All right, I'll be back. As y'all can see, man, she going in there. She going in there, man. Go on back here so y'all can see. Up in there, man. Look, that thing vicious, brother. But yeah, as y'all can see, she up in there, man. She up in there. About to get this work done. I'm gonna show y'all the people that look. I'm telling you, I think he just did it to that truck right there. That truck. You hear that truck, right? So that's exactly, I don't know if it sound like that, but that thing, it's about to be righteous. I'm gonna go in here, and once he lift it up, I'm gonna show y'all what they pretty much gonna do. And then we're gonna go from there. But y'all stay tuned though, cause it's about to go down. All right, y'all. It's lifted. It's about to go down. I don't know if I can walk in there and show y'all. But that, you see that man right there? He gonna get it right. I'll wait till you get it. Wait till you come back over here. All right, y'all. Y'all about to hear what she sounding like? What y'all think? Y'all think it's gonna be sounding good? We about to find out. We're gonna find out. We're gonna find out, y'all. Let's see. Let's hear it. Let's hear it. Let's hear it, baby. No time. Hey, 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 man, say, man. Hey, that thing mean, boy. That thing mean. Hey, man, look. I told y'all, my man gonna get me right. My man gonna get me right every time. Second time, he didn't got me right. Wifey gonna be happy, that's all that matter. Birthday gift number 2, well, number 3. I gotta show y'all her other gifts. Hey, last year before she turned 30, so gotta go all out. You feel me? Y'all stay tuned, man. I don't know. What's up, y'all? So, it's nighttime. Same day, nighttime. I'm tired. But as y'all can see, I'm gonna go ahead and drop this video today. So, yeah. I think she happy. You happy? You like it? Shit, it's tired. It's like dang near 11 o'clock at night. So, excuse me, y'all. She over here making freaking TikToks while I'm recording our outro. Who does that? But nah, yeah, I'm gonna close it out right there. Like I said, if you ever want some exhaust work done, well, yeah, some exhaust work done, go to Midas on Riverside. Tell them that you want to talk to Jordan. I'm saying you want to do it. Basically, it's a mid muffler delete and a resonator delete, and that's it. Try to convince her to get these pipes, these tips, but she ain't wanna. No, that's not the way color I want. I'm going back. I'm gonna get them junks though, so I can start finishing the tail end of that thing, bruh. Yeah, dogs just come get in my videos and they just do whatever they want. Like, what you want, man? Yeah, bro. And then he kicked his feet back, which means he probably about to try to go to sleep, and it ain't happening. Going in that cage, buddy. Well, yeah, man. I appreciate y'all watching this. As long as y'all have. All I'm saying, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Tell your auntie, your uncle, whoever you want to tell. Go ahead, man. Subscribe. Try to get to 50 subscribers before end of August. Get this to like 5 likes. You know, you starting your channel off, you gotta start small. So sitting at 25 subscribers, trying to get to 50. 5 likes on each video. Trying to have third source of income. Military, cutting hair, YouTube. We dropping nothing but what they be saying on YouTube. We dropping nothing but bangers. Bangers all 2021. And this man gonna come get back in the camera. Bruh. Got my face, bruh. This dog is worse. But like I said, I appreciate y'all for watching this. If you watch this video all the way through, hashtag get money, little boy.